Các đầu bếp
These chefs
Khan
are
nấu bữa
preparing
tiệc
a
cưới 20
traditional
món
Kashmiri
Wanzan.
feast
Những
known
đầu bếp
as
này
a
đang chuẩn bị
Vazvan
một bữa tiệc
for
truyền thống của người
700 wedding
Khanis
guests
được gọi
in
là
Srinagar,
Wanwan,
Kashmir.
dành cho 700 khách mời trong một
The
đám cưới tại
25-course meal
Siganan
takes
Khamis.
2
Việc
days to
tiệc
prepare
gồm 25
and
món này
uses
phải mất 2 ngày để chuẩn bị,
125 pots
sử dụng đến
to cook
125 cái
1000
nồi để nấu
kilograms of
1.000 kg
meat.
thịt.
ये वाजा बनने में टाइम लगता है इसे मुझे भी टाइम लग गया बहुत सीखने में
That's Muhammad Sharif Khan, the head chef, known as the Wusta Waza.
मैं हेड बसता हूँ यहाँ पे मैं पिछले 35 साल से कम काम कर रहा हूँ ये हमारा ये ख़ानदानी काम है दादा परदादा हमारे ये काम करते हैं मैं अपने वालिद के साथ बचपन से ही निकला हूँ ये काम करने के लिए
We visited Srinagar to see how a Wazvan is made in such big batches. The first day begins with chopping fresh vegetables, unwrapping spices, peeling chilies, and cleaning all of the pots known as degs.
तो ये अल्मुनियम नहीं बनाते हैं एक तो साफ सफाई होती है उसमें दूसरा इसमें लगने का खतरा भी नहीं होता है
Outside, truckloads of wood are unloaded to fuel the hundreds of pots.
इसके लिए अलग से ही लकड़ आता है वो होता है या तो अखरोट का होता है या एप्पल का होता है नाशपाती का होता है जैसे बागात जो बगीचा होता है उसके पेड़ होते हैं वही कट जाते हैं और उसी पे खाना बनता है
Once the pots are set, it's time to start preparing the meat. Among the 25 courses the kitchen prepares, the mutton dishes, gosht taba, tabak maz, and rista are some of the most important.
तो इसमें बनाने के लिए मेहनत भी लगती है बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत है रिश्ता गोश्तावल इसको फ्रेश मीट होना चाहिए बिल्कुल गर्म जैसे ज़बा किया 10 मिनट में 5 मिनट में हमारे पास पहुंचना चाहिए
To make these dishes, fresh cuts of mutton are trimmed and divided into separate parts. The boneless pieces are then pounded flat with these wooden hammers, known as gosh bares.
से बना हुआ सामान है जैसे वो देखा हमर देखा आपने मटन जिसे कूटते हैं वो भी कश्मीरी कारीगरी बनाता है यहाँ का जो हम नाइफ इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो भी कश्मीरी कारीगर हाथ से ही बनाता है ये बर्तन जितने बने हैं ये हाथ से ही बने हुए हैं सारे ये कॉपर के बर्तन हैं सारे 5 एक बंदा दूसरे को देता है दूसरे तीसरे उसका सारा रेशा एक एक करके रेशा बाहर निकलता है सारा फिर जो लास्ट में होता है बंदा वो उसको थोड़ा फैट मिलाता है और मसाले मिलाता है इलायची दाना पड़ता है बड़ी इलायची का वो मिकदार के हिसाब से होता है अपने हिसाब से डालते हैं उसमें नमक भी पड़ता है उसमें फैट भी 5-10% फैट भी जाता है फूलने के लिए
After the fat is added, the waza at the end dips his hand in water and rolls the meat into bowls. By the end of the day, the team will prepare 700 kilograms of mutton. The last dish to be served at the Vazvan is gosh taba.
एंड होते हैं गुश्ताबा का इंतजार करते हैं लोग लास्ट में गुश्ताबा के बगैर वाजमान कंप्लीट नहीं है
To make it, waza cook the mutton meatballs in a curd gravy known as yakni. They pour the curd into a pot with a bit of water and let it boil before adding fennel, cardamom, clove, ginger paste, garlic paste, and mint powder. After an hour of cooking, the meatballs, mutton stock, desi ghee, and fried shallot paste are added into the gravy. Because it's a curd-based gravy, it needs to be constantly stirred, so it doesn't burn or curdle.
एकदम हाँ हाथ से हम देखते हैं वो बिल्कुल नरम होना चाहिए फिर वो खाने के लायक हो जाता है
The gosh taba takes about 3 hours to cook and is finished with a topping of more curd. Rista is also made with meatballs, but instead of curd, it's cooked in a water-based gravy and seasoned with local chilies and spices. Waza cooked the meatballs in a bit of water and oil before seasoning them with Kashmiri chili water, turmeric, cardamom, clove, saffron, and Kashmiri cockscomb flour for color. After this, garlic, fried onion paste, and lamb stock are added into the pot. Similar to Goshtaba, Rista takes about 3 hours to cook. Another popular dish is tabak maz, a twice-cooked mutton rib dish. First, the ribs are boiled in water and seasoned with turmeric. Once boiled, they're seasoned with cloves, cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, fennel, dried ginger, and desi ghee. Once the ribs are cooked, they're taken out, chopped into smaller pieces, and then braised in ghee to give them a brown and crispy crust. When all of the food is ready, guests are seated in groups of 4 and wash their hands in a basin called the tash tenari. The meal is always served on large copper plates known as taramis. Every tarami is loaded with rice and carefully topped with mounds of meat in a specific order.
तरामी बनाने में उस्ताद होना चाहिए खुद, कि उसको पता है मुझे कहाँ पे क्या लगाना है। सीख कबाब जैसे उसमें 5-6 आइटम लग गए ऊपर, तो होशियारी से देना पड़ता है कि कोई आइटम अगर दूसरी कारीगर कोई भूल जाएगा तो उस्ताद वहाँ पे खड़ा रहता है, वो याद दिलाता है ये आइटम लगाया, इसमें पूरे आइटम हो गए कि नहीं।
Over the weekend, the vazban is served 4 times.
तरामी में कम से कम मटन 4 किलो भी पड़ता है, 3 किलो पड़ता है, जैसे बारात में होगा तो 5 किलो मटन भी पड़ता है।
While this might seem like a lot of food, none of it goes to waste. Instead, guests are expected to save some and take it home.
और ये हमारे मज़हब में सुन्नत है, एक साथ खाना। मुस्लिम में नहीं, यहाँ चम्मच से नहीं खाते, हाथ से शुरू करते हैं।
The wedding also doesn't have assigned seating.
That is the uniqueness of this Vazawan, because we don't know each other for that matter. We don't know them, but when we just eat together over there, so that way we come to know about each other. Yes, the 4 persons, unknown persons, sometimes they just come together and eat together over there. That's my favorite thing. And you will not find that anywhere in the world. That's only in Kashmir you find it.
It's believed that the Mongol ruler Timur brought chefs and recipes from Samarkand, Uzbekistan, to Kashmir in the 14th century. Once in Kashmir, the recipe began to evolve and incorporate local ingredients that would form the modern vazvan. The final dish served at each vazvan is goshtaba.
My favorite dish is goshtaba only. It's totally different from other dishes like that. It's wholly and solely made in milk, and that way no chilies over there. It has got totally different taste for that matter.
वैसे यहाँ मेहमान नवाजी है कश्मीर में, ये हमारा रिवाज है। वाजवान यहाँ किसी को भी मेहमान आएगा घर में, उसको वाजवान खिलाते हैं। बाहर से कोई आएगा